When I first saw this house around 2 years back, the first thing that attracted me was the fact that it was completely surrounded by trees. Now, this gave a feeling of living extremely close to nature, and this is something which is extremely difficult to find, in a city like Delhi or Noida. I wanted to give the house a particular character, so the renovation process started by finalizing a theme and then building that entire house around this theme. I prefer a vintage theme over a modern one, as it appears more classy, and unlike a modern theme which has a shelf life, I believe a vintage theme never gets out of fashion. When I first moved in the house, it was completely raw. So, in order to ensure that the renovation process could be executed the way I had conceptualized, everything, right from the walls, the ceiling, the artifacts, the lights, I guess even the phone, had to be hand-picked so that it could blend with the theme. When I'm not working, then most of my time is spent reading. So I guess the most important part of this house would definitely be my library. Irrespective of how big or small your house is, I believe that around 80% of your time in the house is spent in your bedroom. It's also the place where you wake up and the place where you start your day. So it's extremely important that your bedroom reflects a lot of positive energy. One of the first things that I did, not only with this room but with the entire house, was that I replaced all the walls with large windows. This not only gave an excellent view, but it also increased the amount of natural light entering through the rooms. I believe that entertainment is very subjective, and I'm not a big fan of television or one of those web apps such as Netflix and all. But I am an audiophile, and I have close to 20 speakers in this house. So I generally use this room when I have to listen to music or say watch a football or a cricket match. The house is full of plants, and they represent a key design element in this house. I guess there isn't a better feeling than to see green and listen to birds sing, even though you know you're living in the middle of the city. One of the highlights of this house is that you'll find a huge mango tree completely covering one of its larger balconies. We created a parabola around this balcony and added lights to it. Not only allowed us to sit here even during hot summers and during the day, but it gave the place a completely different character during the night. The terrace is another key part of any home as it allows you to have your piece of the sky. The trees came before the house, so I wanted to integrate the terrace with the trees surrounding it rather than vice versa. And in order to do that, we had to make the place look as natural as possible. Now, this not only improved the aesthetic appearance of the place, but it also made the place cooler by at least 4 to 5 degrees. I believe that a home should balance between beauty and design. A house should look beautiful, yet it should make our lives more sustainable.